Hello guys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a detailed wall in Rec Room. Let's go. You're going to want to open your watch menu, go to backpack, and press use on your maker pen. Once you have your maker pen, you're going to want to open your palette, and you're going to want to go to your settings. You're going to want to put tube size on 8, fixed tube width on, connect nearby tubes on, smooth tubes off, drag select size precise, tube height ratio 10, tube faucets 4, and you're also going to want to put on uniform shapes and show grid. Also, you're going to want to go to snapping and turn it on grid. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your shapes and you're going to want to select tube. Now would be the time to choose any material in any color you would like for your detailed wall. After you've done that, I'm just going to choose a simple wood wall, and I'm going to make a little square. Then I'm going to clone it until it touches that red line. Then I'm going to go to select. I'm going to select the other one, go on options, select all, and I am going to clone it over here. Then you can select again, select these two, select all, and clone it. And so you have something that looks like this. Once you have something that at least looks like this, you can go to shapes, cube, and I suggest choosing a darker and a little bit different material. And then going behind the wall and making a whole another wall behind it. Now you should have your detailed wall, and you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can add more cubes, you can add in a different pattern, do anything you want with this. Now you guys should have your detailed wall. Remember, keep creating and always be creative. Bye!